the parking lot to get into Better Days Chopper Show. Woo! Cute stuff. Sorry, gotta do it for the video. Bitches. Woo! Yeah! Today's fit. Look at my crazy hair. Ooh, foxy. Yeah, yeah. As per usual, I'm here with my girl Stephanie, and we are on the hunt to find the cutest chopper because I was given a very, very important honor to award Cutest Chopper Award. Woo! And I'm gonna take it very seriously. So we are now on the hunt. Very seriously. Yes. We got Brad Arena coming in hot with double treble. Sorry, Brad, you're not in the running for Cutest Chopper. I'm sorry. We got another beautiful bike over here. I mean, this is definitely cutesy. I would say this is like cutesy. Given the baby blue. Honestly, so far, those two, that baby blue one, that was also cute. Like,
yeah.
Oh, that was
okay.
Cute. Even though it's me, but whatever. Oh,
She's pretty.
The Descendants, okay. Heart Mirror. I like it, but it's giving more groovy than cutesy.
The voice recording.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
Very biased for her on these old.
No, they're obviously superior, but you could have a really cute. You guys remember Tony's bike? Woohoo! Gotta get that food section.
So Darla's my homie right here. She's the sweetest, and she picked Cutest Chopper Award for Better Days 2026. I love that. So here we have Darla from Gandita's channel on YouTube. So make sure you check it out. We did an interview recently. We have great energy together, so it was fun. Here she is.
Thank you. Thank you. In a world of tough guy choppers, we really gotta represent the cute choppers out there, you guys. And they're out there. I've seen them. And I'm just saying, some choppers out there are pretty cute, you know? And today's winner, I feel like won by a landslide. I don't know if he's standing right here, but it's gonna go to number 69, Brian from Moonpig Choppers. If you saw it, it's the beautiful baby pink bike over there with the fluffy pink handcuffs around the handlebars. He's got a hot pink Magneto cover on it. It's just radiating cuteness, you guys. So I'm not sure if he's even out in the front. I know his bike's over there somewhere. So if anybody sees Brian from Moonpig Choppers, send him our way so we can get him his award.
150.
Cheers! Oh, you won, Cutest Chopper. Good job. Get some punk ass shit for your dogs. So cute. Just checking in with you guys. It's hot as hell. Having a good time. These are the deals right here. Okay, I know I say this every time I do an event video. I feel like I didn't film that much, but it's because I'm trying to just enjoy myself at the event, you know, and be in the moment. So hopefully you enjoyed this video, and if you did, stay tuned for next week. You know, like, share, subscribe, hype the video, drop a comment, help your sister out, and I will see you guys in the next one.